So you are able to see my slides. This one.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear. Okay. See, in the past days before AI practices implementation by IT companies, they were having some methodical process, uh, like roles they used to define and design in the beginning itself under program management for each activity. Activity wise roles used to be there: developer activity, QA testing activity, then you have DevOps engineer activity. Example, I am saying these are other common roles in every project. But when AI is introduced it, there are different technologies on fly we need to learn and implement also. At the same time, we also need to be working closer with the business teams because the requirements they don't understand with the new technologies. We need to understand their problems and we need to think about providing the solutions to business users or business teams. In such case, what we need to do here, we need to understand what the employers expecting from us. So this is the slide I prepared it to explain, and ultimately how our coaching model helps. And so far, what all you traveled it, what all experiences you gained also. We are going to do a little bit gap analysis in cloud DevOps also with automation. So the title is Employers' Expectation from AI Professionals. What IT employers are seeking in candidates. Let us discuss that. So this presentation outlines the key expectations IT employers have from AI professionals, focusing on essential skills and attributes that are valued in the fast evolving field. So employer expectations, first let us see. They are looking for problem solving skills. IT employers prioritize candidates who can identify complex problems and devise effective AI driven solutions. Let us say when we started with ML phase after cloud DevOps automation, we devised a plan to develop a product finally, ML model product. If you take any of your products, each of you have got different products. So Shiva has got car prices model, Ravi has got insurance claims risk assessment, you have got credit risk assessment for loans applications, all these things. Finally, if you talk with any users, they'll say we are facing problems in these areas. They'll say, let us say, in your case, Rahul's case, credit risk assessments, we are not able to move forward faster. It is taking longer time. They'll feel. Now, you as ML professional or AI professional, you need to think. So how that they are getting the data and what way they are analyzing manually, you need to understand that first to understand their process, procedures, standards, and formulas also. Then you need to do a gap analysis with your experiences as ML professional and do a solution design to present to the user. See, this is the way I can solve your problems, and I'm going to provide this kind of product at the end, which is a solution presentation in our coaching model. We have been doing it. The same we are going to implement, of course, in your projects also. So that way, what happens? you are you need to identify their complex problems and devise effective AI-driven solutions through the solution demos. Then problem solving involves analyzing real-world challenges, conceptualizing AI applications, and demonstrating the ability to implement these solutions successfully in business environments. When you can assess you have implemented successfully in business environments, when the product is ready, what we plan for each of your product is it is a web-based application, basically. So anybody can do those activities, ML activities, model activities. They can process the data and get the final results of the data. And finally, When you go to the Azure, you are going to transform that data into dashboards, which we are going to plan separately in Azure ML. Okay, so these are the motives one need to have as a professional. They need to analyze real world challenges and conceptualizing AI applications through the solution design and demonstrating the ability to implement these solutions successfully in business environments. Then they'll realize you are the worth AI professional among all of them. You are going to show your unique selling skills in the beginning itself by showing the solution presentation. Then, hands on AI experience. Practical experience with AI technologies is crucial. What is the practical experience? One is solution design, then you should be able to plan yourself with GPT tools. Then you need to come up with a plan, then explain the plan to the technical people internally. Then you need to develop the relevant Python scripts and test them. And finally, you need to make that as application for users' purpose. Users cannot run Python scripts. The real IT systems they are running in the production. In the production, users are no user is running the Python or any other Java programs independently, like what we do in a typical environment. That is not correct. That is not the as per the IT governance also policies also nobody will accept it. So we need to give a product. That product is nothing but you are connecting all the steps which is planned for as ML design activities. So you are gaining the experience by doing the model solution design, planning, development, and implementation with product interface. Interface is web interface. Then employers look for candidates who have developed and deployed AI models, conducted experiments, and gained insights from failures and success. 100% you are eligible for these things. You are doing the development of the product, deploying the AI models, and you have conducted many experiments to come up with that model product. And you are gaining insights from failures and success because you have been keeping different trials by testing the Python scripts, by connecting different data files and cleaning them, following standard process in ML design development with standard activities, and also following some kind of ethics policies also and deployment also. So with that, what happens? Your profile is on topmost priority for the employers because you have proved it through the demos. That is one benefit and advantage among all the IT professionals here for your profile. This experience should directly relate to how AI can provide value and drive innovation in a business context. How you are going to provide it all these proofs with your POCs, with your demos. So you have planned to demo solution design. Under that, you have planned to provide the presentation of the plan, your model presentation design plan. Then you are also explaining the code under code walkthrough or review activity. At the same time, you are also testing those Python programs and setting up as a connected application with the web interface. So these all are the values you are providing through your demos. Next, then critical thinking. In the realm of AI, critical thinking is
The
essential,
slide is not moving.
not visible.
Only first slide is visible.
1 minute, 1 minute. What happened here? Sorry. 1 minute. I don't
Okay.
know. Let me walk through all the
Yes.
slides. Scrolling is working. My slides
Yeah.
scrolling.
Now I
Okay.
will able to see critical thinking.
Now you are able to see critical thinking, but hands on.
No, sir. No, even
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, let me do
uh,
this way only.
yes, yes. Now working.
Yeah, this is visible, right? The editor, PPT editor.
Hmm.
Okay. So critical thinking is in the realm of AI, critical thinking is essential Candidates must analyze information, evaluate multiple perspectives, and make reasoned decisions based on data. Yes, you have done this activity in the beginning itself. You have studied it, you have done a lot of research on your solution design and you planned the activities and you confirmed it as this is the correct set of activities I have designed for the model. Now I am moving forward with data analysis and other activities within the model. So that is a critical thinking analysis. You have done it. This involves questioning assumptions, identifying biases, and proposing innovative solutions that challenge the status quo. Such skills help in aligning AI solutions with business needs effectively. What are the innovative solutions in our model? If you see the currently in non-cloud environment, we are learning the proof of concept projects by taking different domain areas and we are working with them in normal example. I'm saying linear regression is there. With linear regression, he has designed the car pricing forecasting. Shiva. So that we have done with non-cloud with Python scripting. Now we also saw in the job descriptions 80% of the job descriptions for ML professional, they are asking ML and AI professional, they are asking TensorFlow is mandated. Then we introduced, why don't we adopt that also? Doing in TensorFlow also. So with that, what happens? He did a gap analysis. What is the benefit of deep learning model comparatively with linear regression? So in his presentation, he has explained very detailed way that also. It means we're doing a lot of innovative solutions. What is the best option to provide the solution to the users also, to the business also. So you are very much eligible for these critical thinking areas also. Such skills help in aligning AI solutions with business needs effectively. Yes, you have provided the solutions. Next one is professional development. So when it comes to the professional development, real world project showcase is required. To stand out, candidates should demonstrate an ability to apply their skills through real world projects. Are these not real world projects? Whatever you are designing the application and product application for assessing the credit risk, for bank loans applications processing, then car prices forecasting, then insurance claims risk assessment. Such kind of things are the real projects only. You are doing them. You are demonstrating your ability to apply your job skills through these real projects and proving them as a product designed by you. This entails showcasing AI applications that delivered value, highlighting the problem solving process, and detailing the outcomes. Yes, outcome is a product is delivered it. Anybody can follow that model design process. So you are showing that. Then successful candidates provide evidence of their work and its impact, which reassure employers about their capability to contribute effectively. Yes, obviously, when you are completing the demos, you are proven in that activity, you are a capable person to be hired by the matured employers, matured recruiters, matured recruiting managers. That kind of people only can understand these things. Right. Now, staying updated on AI advancements. The AI landscape is rapidly evolving, making it essential for professionals to remain informed about the latest trends, tools, and methodologies. So, you are learning continuously, one model to another model. Let us say three of you have got the different projects now, ML model product projects. So you are learning others models also by by watching the presentations, by attending gap analysis sessions, by attending plan worksheet discussion, then code walkthrough also. So you will be able to find out what is the difference between your model scripts and his model scripts and what are the plan activities also. With that, what happens? You are updating your knowledge for advancements. Then this can be achieved through continuous education, attending workshops, engaging with online communities, and following industry publications. In our case, our presentations, regular presentations by any of you, you are attending that, you are learning them. But outside, the people who don't attend this kind of coaching, they will be following these kind of approaches. Staying updated ensures that candidates can harness new capabilities and maintain a competitive edge in the job market. If they are asking, let us say you found now three of you found three different products. When three different products are there in the interview, if somebody is asking, if Rahul attends the interview, they'll ask about some car related products. Then he knows that solutions because he attended Shiva's presentations. He understood his project details. Then, if Ravi goes there, then Ravi, you worked in banking also, but you explained about the insurance policies. How about finance, bank loan process? Then you'll say, no, we can do that automation also. We can design a product also. Yes, you can. We can plan for credit risk assessment also because he attended Rahul sessions. Then he learned that project. So with that, what happens? You are going to get upgrading knowledge in different domains and also the technical areas for designing model products. Then conclusions are, in conclusion, AI professionals must develop a unique blend of skills, including problem solving, practical experience, and continuous learning. Obviously, you are doing continuous learning. If you see last week knowledge and this week knowledge, it is totally different. You learned a lot of things. Week by week you are upgrading your knowledge, updating your knowledge. You have an attitude of learn and prove attitude when you join this coaching that time onwards. By understanding employer expectations and enhancing their portfolios, candidates can significantly improve their job prospects in the AI field. Yes, obviously, because you are capable of performing multiple roles in each of your Excel sheets, planned Excel sheets. I advise you to include the roles against to each activity also because you need to show your capabilities to run different portfolios, different roles, different activities. You are wearing the hat of data scientist, you are wearing the hat of ML ops engineer, you are wearing the hat of ML developer, ML engineer, you are wearing the hat of QA test professionals when you are doing the ML training and testing activity. So all these you have the eligibility to compete in the job market. So you should be in a position to explain to the recruiter very clearly, madam, just listen to me. What I achieved from this coaching, from this internship, these are the achievements I've done it. These are the ways who have been coached, who have been trained, who have been guided, who have demoed many presentations at different levels to demonstrate our skills like in the real job only. So that's where you're supposed to explain in the interviews. You should not feel any kind of shy or anything because you have done very well all this work in a proven case. So let me stop recording. That's where you are supposed to explain in the interviews a difference with unique selling point from your profiles, upgraded profiles.